So back to Code with Gabriel section, and in this module we are going to be talking about CSS and animation. This is going to be the third time I am going to be recording this video. I actually don't know why this is happening. Okay, so we are in animation. We still have tooltip and object fits like there. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. So permit me to fire up my Chrome. Just going to go to Code with Gabriel. And as you can see, I even already have animation file that I've already opened to show this is just the third time I'm going to record this. I don't know why. Let me just open this with Visual Studio Code. Alright, almost there. Almost. Okay. I'm just going to clear this off so we don't run into any issue of confusion. Alright, so before I proceed, let me just quickly emphasize on animation. So what is actually animation? Animation is actually the changing of style, or let me say property of an element constantly or within an interval with CSS. That is actually what an animation means. So in CSS we know we have margin left, margin bottom, we have background color, we have sort of attribute like that. So animation actually works with, okay, when within this kind of interval of seconds I want to have background color of blue, within another interval of seconds I want to have background color of red, and so on and so forth like that. So that is just what animation is about. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. So we have HTML5, and let's link into our style sheet. So the relationship between them is style sheet and the reference where the CSS plus style sheet style.css. So I'm going to create a div right here and give it a class of box like that. So let's just do as usual. The body is going to have a margin of author and also a width of 50%. We can decide to have a padding from top of 100 pixels, and for all the elements we can decide to give them box sizing and give them border bars. So it's just going to be alright like that. Okay, let's pick up the div that we have. So the div with the class of box, that is what we have. And right here we can just decide to give it a background color. In case I'm just going to give a red, a width of 200 pixels, or maybe 300 would be okay, and a height of 300 pixels too will be okay too. So let's view this and see what we got. I think I copied that. Okay, so this is just all we have. We have this box right here looking at me. So to perform animation in CSS we need the animation property, which is defined like this, animation, and we can just use it like this as a shorthand property. But for this tutorial I'm not going to be showing you how to use the shorthand property, but the full property of it. The first thing you need is the animation name, which is going to be the name of your animation, and in this case I'm just going to use my animate. So my animate is the name, and the second thing to actually provide is the delay of your animation. So after the page is reload, how many seconds do you want to delay the animation before it actually starts working, and it's very very important. If you don't do it, it's not going to work. So we're just going to say sorry, animation delay. In this case I just want 1 second, that's all, just 1 second. And following the dot sequence, which is very very important, is actually the it is actually the duration of the animation that I want. So I can say animation duration is probably 3 seconds, like that. So animation duration means that the length, or let me say the interval that is going to take the animation to complete a, or to have a complete sequence. That is actually what it is about. How it's going to take the whole sequence of the animations one by one to complete a circle, like that. So let's check what we have actually done. So we have animation name, which in my case is my animate. We have animation delay, which is 1 second of delay. Then we have animation duration, which is 3 seconds, like that. So in order to invoke this, so this is just an invocation in CSS, the CSS embedded. In order to be able to invoke this, we need to use the add keyframe. Sorry, just one. Sorry, oh my god, add keyframe. So this add keyframe is going to be the one that is going to call the name of our animation. So we say my animate. Then inside here we can begin to transform our animation from then to. So this syntax is very very easy. Once you have this three setup, just use the add keyframe, my animate, then from to, like that. So from background color of yellow. So what I'm saying here is that I'm trying to move the animation. So we all know the sorry, we all know that the background color actually start from red, but when we actually start the animation, we want the background color to start from yellow, and from yellow we actually want it to go ahead and move to another background color. So we can just say background color of, let's say blue. I don't want to have light blue, just blue. It's okay. Let's fire up this up in the browser and see what it's going to look like. Alright, so our animation starts working already. As you can see, we are able to move from background color of yellow to blue, then from blue it's come back to red, even though red is not a part of the sequence. Even though red is not part of the sequence, so you can see you can just remove the red and it's still going to work fine. So can you see it actually come up by itself and begin to work fine, then leave up again, because we are not having any background color here to show the box is there. Alright, so go ahead and try this. In the next tutorial we are still going to talk about animations. Thank you so much, guys.